I don't believe that the motion has that's my personal opinion. I don't believe that the motion has anything to do with the Ombudsman report. I believe the motion is more personal on various points, and I can, in the near future, I will be making it known as to where I believe all these things are coming from. At the end of the day, Ms. Shaw, I have a job to do. As you can see, we've been making some drastic changes in the ministry with respect to lowering costs and contracts and all those things, where I mentioned for the trenches, for the wastewater treatment plant, where by the wastewater treatment plant alone, we save about $130,000 a month. You can imagine that some people might be upset. So that's just one example. And I continue to do my job, and I'll go back with the responses and go from there. It's more personal, and there are a lot of different things that are taking place. And it is my firm belief that this war, or whatever you want to call it, isn't against Doran, it's more against change. And there's great change comes with a lot of resistance, and that is proven to be evident because this is how we used to do things. And I'm not saying that everything I do is correct, but when we make mistakes or so, we learn from them and we move forward. Every single terms of reference, every single bidding that takes place, we learn something new. And I believe that we should take that into consideration and realize that over the last 40 years, let's zoom into the last 12 years at least, a lot of things have been going in a certain direction. And we grow, we learn, and we move forward. I wasn't there 12 years ago. I wasn't there 40 years ago. However, I am in the seat now, and I have to deal with the situations that we have. A prime example could be the landfill. What wasn't fixed in 40 years is expected to be done in 2 years. And we continue to move forward. I understand the frustration of the general public with certain things that have been plaguing for quite a while. Nevertheless, we can only